welcome to Indian Curries and Pickles. We wish you a very happy new year. Makki ki roti and sarson ka saag is almost everyone's favorite, but bajre ki roti with saag is equally sumptuous. In our One Pot Wonder series, today we are going to present this traditional dish in a different style. And also I'll give you a super tip to make bajre ki roti. So let's make it. So let me introduce you to the ingredients first. This is my choice of greens for the saag. I have chosen sarson ka saag and I have chosen palak and I have chosen bathua. Making saag is no rocket science. You can use any greens you like, but this is my favorite combination. And this is bajre ka atta. I have made the dough in two styles, which I'll tell you later. These are sliced onions and garlic. So let's get started. So as I said, you can choose your choice of greens. All you have to do is cut these leaves, greeny leaves, in the size you want and just pressure cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you have to blend it in the blender, and after blending, it will look something like this. So the real magic is how do you prepare the tempering for the saag. So I'm going to tell you the most authentic tempering for sarson ka saag. And for tempering, all you have to do is take a heavy base pan. And friends, let me show you, this is my heirloom. This belongs to my dadi's mother and this is almost 100 years old. This was given to me by my mom and I'm really enjoying it. So first we will add some mustard oil. I'm going to add a pinch of hing. Oil has started smoking. Now I'm going to add some red chilies. Now I'm going to add garlic. Let the garlic burn. Now you can see the garlic is burnt. Now I'm going to add the onion slices. While the onions are getting cooked, let me give you the tip. How do we make bajra atta dough? This dough I have made with yeast like this, and this is the dough made with simple water, so you can feel it's very hard. So take some atta in the plate, and this is the yeast mixture, dried yeast mixture. I'm going to make a dough with this. After making a dough, you have to keep it for at least half an hour. You can add some more water if you need. It will rise on its own like a bread dough. So it will become easy to handle and easy to roll. Let's give it a stir side by side. So the final dough would look something like this. You have to keep it for half an hour. Let's check on this side. Onions are done. And according to our elders, we never add tomatoes in our green leafy vegetables. So I follow the same. Little bit of turmeric. Little bit of red chili powder according to your taste and some salt. I've already added salt while boiling my leafy vegetables. So now look, the color is looking nice. If you don't like big chunks of onion, you can break it a bit. Now I will add the saag into it. So now these are two doughs, one which is made with yeast and this is with plain water. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put some water in my palms. I'm going to take this, see it's very light and I can manage it easily. The rotis will also come out very light. You can put bit of oil. See, I've added little onion and green chilies while making my roti. See, these are so soft. And it is easily digestible because of yeast now. And they are super cakey. So my rotis are done. I'm going to cut it into two. See how soft and flaky they are. So while we are cooking bajra ki roti, we cannot give churma a miss. So I'm going to make churma in a very quick fix style. This is desi ghee. I'm going to add some jaggery into it. You can also add shakkar if you have. So I'm going to crumble this bajra roti made out of plain dough. Now I'm going to add it into this. Now let it rest for a while and switch off the flame. So this is how I'm going to mix my jaggery and roti. Now I'm going to transfer into another bowl, let it cool for a while, and then we'll make a laddu out of it. So this is my churma laddu. This one bowl is going to have everything. This looks so divine. So this is pyaz, which we generally call pyaz mukhi marke, and some butter. So friends, our super sumptuous and healthy pot is ready. There couldn't have been a better way to start this new year than this wholesome platter. It's with goodness of jaggery, it's with goodness of pearl millet, saag, green chilies, onions and everything. So do try it this winter and give us your feedback. So friends, do follow us on our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. For the detailed recipe, press the title of the dish and you will get the detailed written recipe. Bye-bye.